How's it going? Darren Johnson, strongmoneyplan.com. I wanted to shoot this video because I came across some information that I think might help those of you who have purchased my cryptocurrency trading log. It came to my attention that a lot of trades happened over the last couple of days, and for whatever reason, I missed capturing those trades. And so then those trades actually sold and I couldn't find them. I didn't have them highlighted here. I'm not sure how I missed these trades, but I did. And the reason I found out that I missed them was because when they sold, I couldn't find the ledger that I created here so that I could put in the information. So the reason I'm sharing this with you is because I've learned that there's an easy way to find your trades in the event that you find that as you're inputting data and a sell order comes in and you can't find it in your ledger. I'm going to show you how to find that trade quickly. So what you want to do is you want to go back into your Kraken account, and all you have to do here, I'll start over again. Let's just start from here so I can show you. You're going to go to trades, and then what you want to do is click on pair. All right, and what that's going to do is that's going to give you all of your coins compared to the USDT. So all of your trades are going to happen, or going to be shown rather, in such a way that you're going to be able to find them. Okay, so let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. So if I click that arrow right here, now it's in alphabetical order. Let's say that there was a sell order for ADA that came in on the 9th, which is right now actually. And it sold at 790 and the volume was 449. Let's say I didn't have that in the ledger, right? So I'm going to go into my ledger and there it is, 449. But let's just say that that wasn't there. What I would do is I would look at the sell order 449 and I would go back into its history to find the buy order. So as you can see, the buy order is right underneath it at 449. So all I would do is I would input this information on a separate line in my ledger as a buy order, and then I would go back and plug in the sell cost and the sell volume on that same line. So in other words, let's just say that this wasn't here. I would type this in because this is the buy information, and then I would plug in my sell information here. So I would go back into the sell, make sure the volume is still the same. I grab the volume, and then I paste it here, and then the date is the 9th, and then the cost is 790. Oops, let's try it again. Grab that, paste it in. Okay, there we go. All right, so now I married the buy order to the sell order so that I could get that captured. All right, so that's an easy way to find your buy orders in the event that a sell happens and you don't have it written in your ledger. Just go to pairs, click that arrow up there, and then just look for it. All right, if the coin that you're missing is BCH, then you just go down to BCH. You see that the sell happened here, but you can't find the buy order. Just find the appropriate volume, which is right here, it looks like. Okay, and then this would be the sell. So there's your pair right there. This was maddening because it took me about 30 minutes to figure out that there was an easier way to track them without having to just go through all my buy orders and try to figure out what went wrong. All right, Kraken is amazing. All the information you need, all the details you need are right here in your back office if you know where to go to find it. All right, so that's something else that I wanted to share with you about my cryptocurrency trading log that may help you guys as you're starting to plug in your information. And you might find yourself getting stuck realizing that there was a trade happen that you didn't capture for whatever reason. I mean, life happens. Maybe you were out all day and a flurry of trades came in. You went back to try to capture them, and somehow or other you skipped one and you missed one, or you missed a few. That's how you can go back and find them. One other thing that I wanted to mention to you that may be helpful for you guys is what I like to do is I'll go into let's see, where do I want to take you? Let's go into execute it. All right. And so what I'll do is I'll click on execute it. All right. And I'll print this out on a separate sheet of paper so that I can highlight them or cross them out as I go through them line by line. That way I'll know that I captured everything. Okay, so that's another tip. All you got to do is go to your computer, click Control P if you're on an PC, and I'm not sure what it is if you're on a Mac, but just bring up your print screen however you do it. And then you're just going to, I use landscape, and then I will print the second page here is not useful for me. So I'll go to custom, I'll change it to 1, and then I'll just print this, and then I'll cross this out line by line as I capture them on my spreadsheet so that I'll know I didn't miss a trade. And this was another trick that I figured out, months into doing this, that is making my life a lot easier as a flurry of trades come in and I'm trying to capture them all. Okay. So this was a great way to keep you more organized if you didn't already know this trick. So compare this trick with the other one that I gave you, and you should be smooth sailing in capturing your information in your ledger so that you can have the most accurate reflection of your trading history. All right. That's all I have for you for this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I hope you guys are enjoying my cryptocurrency trading log. And for those of you who don't have it yet, all you got to do is shoot me an email at strongmoneyplan@gmail.com. Let me know you want it, and I'll send you a response and we'll get it to you. Okay? So this is Darren Johnson, strongmoneyplan.com, and I'll talk to you in another video.